On July 15th, students from China's Taiwan region visited Daxing No. 1 Middle School, Beijing. The school hosted a lavish buffet for their guests from Taiwan. Afterwards, Beijing students paired up with their Taiwan counterparts to explore the beautiful campus. They walked across the bright sports field, past the pristine swimming pool, and admired the impressive underground stadium. Later, the Taiwan students took part in a calligraphy and painting workshop organized by the school, where they learned how to paint folding fans, round fans, and practice calligraphy. Everyone was so engaged in the workshop that they didn't want it to end. They also enjoyed performances by Beijing students. At the end of the event, the Taiwan students were reluctant to leave, promising to visit again in the future.